pa.
I can step too.
Ha?
I can step too, guys. I'm Spider-Man.
There's someone. Come on, Leo. Go up pa.
Wait. What?
Here. Oh, go. Stay there. Careful, ah. Ready? Careful. Go. Here. Go to the security guard. Wait for your turn, line. Go to the line.
Hindi kaya pasok.
First time niya sumakay eh. Come on. Let's buy.
Buy some what?
We have to buy a card. Here. I don't know how pa, but we'll see. In service mode. Online. Stored value. Okay, come on. Let's buy stored value. Press stored value. Show me your card. Oh, we're gonna get another one. Stored value. Okay. Insert and then press OK.
Okay.
Get the card.
Yeah.
Another one. Get it.
Because
Okay. Alcohol your hand. Alcohol.
my ring too. Because
Okay,
Sonic
come on.
will love it.
Come on.
I got this from Sonic, guys.
And then you tap it on top. Tap. You tap like that. Tap. Closer. Go. Go inside. Okay. Come on.
I thought it's
Akit kami, madam, no? Okay, come on.
ride a roller coaster.
Go. Ready, set, go. Very good, Kuya.
Hey,
Go.
that name fast walking.
Oh, give me your card.
Yep.
That's ano,
What?
super high. Look. Let's wait for the train, Kuya. Look. Nice. Oh, stay here on the ano. Oh, there's the train na, Kuya. Oh. Here. Come on. Okay.
Pwede yung bata?
You are the bata. They told us to. I need to hold you. There's a train. Oh, here. Hold my hand. Here, hold my hand. Sit down here. Go here. Okay. Are you inside the train?
Inside the train.
Do you like it here?
Yeah.
Look, what about
I like it here. So cold.
cold? It's not that cold naman.
I think cozy.
Cozy, okay. I thought you said cold. Yeah. Here lang kuya. Oh. Cold. Your hand, your hand. Oh, go back here na.
What?
Go back here na. Oh, your hand, your hand. Yeah, Santolan. You have to watch out. When the train stops, you have to read where we are now, okay? What? So fast, kuya. Yeah. So fast. You should ride here when it's morning, kuya. Wala ka makita, oh. It's night time na. We cannot go down, kuya.
Arriving at Marikina Station.
Oh, you have to check what station are we na, ha? You have to check.
Are you slowing down?
Yeah, we're slowing down.
Is this Marikina?
Oh, you have to read. Where are we na?
And Marikina.
Marikina? Can I check?
There. Marikina Plus.
There.
Let's go.
Oh, yeah. Very good. Not yet. We have to, Santolan.
And pick up money.
Yes. You have to read Santolan. What station are we na?
Marikina.
Marikina what?
Marikina Station.
Next station, Santolan.
Oh.
Starting to move on an hour. All the way. Yummy. Later we'll pass by Ayalamon. I'm gonna pass by. Hey.
Where
Look.
are you?
Look in. Look there outside.
What's that? What mall is that?
Ayala Mall. Ayala Mall. Hey, that's my Ayala Mall.
You have to tell them what mall is that.
Ayala Mall, guys.
You always go there?
Yes. It, look, it's choking.
Chucky. Are you hungry? Oh, there's a building there.
What?
There's a condominium.
Look. Okay. Are we near now?
Yeah, we're near there.
Let's see. Let's see.
Arriving at Santolan Terminal Station. Paparating na sa Santolan Terminal
Look, kuya,
Station.
look. Look.
Like, wow. Cool.
Oh, you have to read, kuya. What station are we na?
Are we now?
Here, on the other side. What station? Come on. Let's check. Oh. There, read. Read. You have to read. Kuya, up. What station are we? Santolan. Okay, come on. Oh, tap your card. Go. Go. Inside. Go inside. Oh, you tap it twice. Oh. Okay. Come on. 15 pesos only. Mura pa din, madam, ha? First time niya sa Makay, eh.
That was a nice.
That's a nice ride.
Whoa.
That's a nice ride. Oh, let's wait for mommy. Let's wait for mommy here inside. Oh, mommy's there now. Come on. Let's go outside. Kuya, go inside the car. Go. Let's go, kuya. Go inside. Kuya, open the door.
I was in where?
Where were you?
Where? I ride in the motorcycle first, and then I ride in the train. Wow! You like it?
Okay, let's go.
What's the best